thought once burned so bright and true. I recall with memories the many pleasures that were mine to have because of love and you. I'm so thankful for the time we had together. For in your heart I thought there was no doubt. And I hope someday our love can be rekindled. But for us the flame of love has just gone out. There'll be times I know my love won't burn as brightly as the flame of love I know you'd hope to see. But I hope someday my love will be rekindled, and that its flame and warmth will draw you back to me. I'm so thankful for the time we had together. For in your heart I thought there was no doubt. And I hope someday our love can be rekindled. But for us the flame of love has just gone